Hello and welcome to our video on the EU's Artificial Intelligence Act. In this video, we'll be discussing the purpose, scope, applicability, jurisdiction, benefits, implementation, and penalties of this landmark legislation. We have started a new series exploring the EU AI Act and its implications for AI business. We'll delve into the impact of this act on crucial technologies like chatbots, AI calls, and AI-powered IVR systems, commonly utilized in daily operations. The AI Act was introduced recently in February 2024 to regulate the development and deployment of artificial intelligence in Europe. Its main goals are to promote trustworthy AI systems while ensuring innovation, protect citizens from harm, and boost confidence in AI solutions. The AI Act covers a wide range of areas, including high-risk applications such as critical infrastructure, education, and healthcare, as well as certain types of biometric data processing. The AI Act applies to businesses that develop, deploy, or use AI systems within the European Union. This means that not only companies based in the EU but also those offering services or products in the bloc are subjected to this regulation. The AI Act has extraterritorial reach, which means that it applies to companies outside the EU if they offer AI services or products to EU citizens. The AI Act has several potential advantages, such as fostering responsible development and deployment of AI technologies, protecting citizens from harm, and boosting confidence in AI solutions. It also creates a level playing field for businesses operating in the EU. The AI Act will be implemented in stages, with some requirements taking effect immediately and others phased in over time. Businesses will need to comply with specific requirements by certain deadlines. Non-compliance with the AI Act can result in fines of up to 6% of a company's global turnover or 30 million, whichever is higher. Other sanctions, such as suspension or withdrawal of AI products or services, may also apply. That's it for our video on the EU's Artificial Intelligence Act. We hope you found this information useful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching. Let's see next video. We'll start from scrap.